Okay, let's take a look. Institution sheets, the data file institution sheets. All right, the instruction is enter the number in column B. So the random number starting from 1 and next 2 digits for your student ID. So I'm going to enter like a 89003. Then we're going to just, I'm going to just copy all the way down for 10 different plan we have. So, those numbers are filled out because they have functions built in. And you don't have to worry about those functions or formulas. Just what we are doing is we're going to just insert, create charts. Okay. Well, before we do that, we're going to do median and maximum, right? So column E, well, I'm going to just insert right there. Median for those amounts and max for monthly payment. Again, well, don't forget equals. Where'd it go? All right, so we have median, maximum for monthly payment. That was step B and C respectively. Then step D, which is using if. So what it's saying is we're going to check the amount, interest amount, which is this one, is greater than 10% of purchase price, which is B. So we're going to compare G and B. Okay, so interest amount is greater than 10% of purchase price. Then we're going to say it is high amount. We're going to just put it as high interest payment. Otherwise, meaning that interest payment is less than or equals to 10% of purchase price, we'll just show the calculation, which is 15% of purchase price minus interest amount. Okay, let's just try that. If G4 is greater than B4, then we're going to say high interest payment. Otherwise, because we're going to put the calculation, so no double quotation, so we'll just put 10% of purchase price, right, minus interest amount, which is G4. All right, let's take a look. So it is 10%. I forgot 10%, right? Okay, there you go. Well, apparently those G4 interest amount is greater than 10% purchase price. So it's all return high interest payments. All right. Then step E. Then you're going to do a merge and center, right? And apply XN1. That should be in the cell style. Actually, xn1 goes to the column heading, which is this, and the row heading. So I'm going to apply xn style. Next tab, which is F. Now we're going to insert combo chart. So we're going to select A3 through H13. At the same time, B3, B13, F3, F13, and G3, G13. Then insert combo chart, which is the last from the list. Then we need to select carefully inches amount to line with markers. Line with markers. There you go. And make it secondary axis. All right. Cluster column for both purchase price and total cost. Yeah. So this should be it. There you go. So we're gonna put this thing. We're gonna create a new. Right. We're gonna create a new sheets. So we're gonna name it as combination chart. So move chart, new sheets, combo chart. There you go. That's our combo chart. So we're going to edit this combo chart a little bit. Under F, number 2, chart title, of course, just double click, insert title. Then style 3. So from this chart style, we're going to change to style 3. Then step 3 under F, we're going to work on secondary axis, which is secondary vertical axis. So I'm going to double click so that I can access to the axis option so that I can edit display unit. Major unit is 10,000. Major, so I'm going to make it major 10,000. And display unit, make it 1,000 because number is huge. So we're going to make it display unit as 1,000, just like that. And insert axis title to secondary vertical. So over here, we're going to make it title. We're going to create a title, name it interest amount. So always bring this chart element so that I can access the axis title right here. And we'll point to the secondary vertical. Then there's the box for axis title so that we can type it in interest amount. Okay. Then step 4 under F, we're gonna add data label for dollar outside the data series. Okay. So we'll go back again, chart element, data label, outside and outside and value, right? But didn't say which one, so we're gonna just add both of them. That's fine. And also adjust the font size if it's too big or too small. Then decrease the gap width of this column, the vertical column. So I'm gonna just double click that column so that I can change the gap width, which will be 111. Press enter. There you go. So the gap between those, the bars have changed. So that was F. Actually, there's another one. Change the fill color of those column bars. You can go to fill and change solid, make it yellow and dark green. Dark green. And the other one, make it yellow. Just like that. Okay? So that was F. G. This time we're going to create a 3D area chart. Okay, so I'm going to go back, institution. This time I'm going to select A3, A3 to A13, G3 to G13, 3D area chart. Insert recommended charts. All chart, look for area, which is right in the middle somewhere. 3D, so which one? This one says 3D. I'm going to click OK. There you go. Again, we're going to make it this new worksheet. So I'm going to just go ahead and click Move Charts. Then I'm going to type it in Area Chart. There you go. That's our 3D area chart. Then we're going to edit a little bit. Insert style 3, like this one. Change the title. Then remove the legend if there is legend. Looks like we don't have any legend, so which is fine. Then G2 says 3D rotation. That should be in the right here in this option area says 3D rotation, so that we can change those rotation angles, which is x-axis 20, y-axis 15, perspective 20. So to change those numbers accordingly, depth, we have another one here. Depth is 100. Okay, good. So that was step 2 under G. Then you're going to insert your name in the header. Okay. Actually, that's it for institution worksheets. So if you have any questions, let me know.